What the hell? What's that?
Yeah, but I thought we would pay you a vacation or something, not give you a free torture session.
Raptor, you're exaggerating, Jenny said. Sure, Fairy's cranky, but he would never go that far.
He's right though. The goal of a dungeon is not to have fun.
Exploring the outdoors. Download it today and find your outside.
What are you doing?
When your summer plans make you feel like the main character, Summer Hits 2026.
No turn signal either. It's very nice.
Tap into the hottest hits and party classics.
Where's your ex live? Over there. Like, not in this neighborhood, but close.
Next week when it's not as hot on a Sunday. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Bro, you went through the wrong intersection, brother.
And they crashed into the Tesla. What the fuck was that?
I don't think they did crash into the Tesla.
They did crash into the Tesla. There's a big ass skid mark on it.